Do you sometimes have to take a plea offer, even when you know the client is not guilty?
Yes, it's unfortunate.
Tell me about that. Why does that come
what
up?
happens is sometimes you get situations where people compound or build on an improper procedure. For instance, a lot of times I've had cases where a guy's looking at life in prison and the evidence is overwhelming. The eyewitnesses are absolutely convinced that he's the one that did it, even though I know that they've been persuaded improperly and what we call is impermissibly suggested certain types of situations that taint the whole process. But you still have a possibility of getting life in prison. And if a person has a prior criminal history to some degree and has already done some time, rather than taking a risk of going to trial and getting life in prison with no parole or 25-year mandatory, if offered something like a year and a day or county time, it's kind of difficult for me to tell them, I give them the choices, but I'm somewhat persuasive in making them take the deal.
That's one of those cases where you look at the big picture versus,
right,
demanding
exactly.
Your rights.
You got to look at, there's a lot of innocent people in prison, there's a lot of guilty people on the street. Justice is made or lost, depending upon how the cards are dealt.